Hello students, welcome to 4th standard EVS class. Let us revise chapter number 6, Animals for Transport. Children, look at this picture. What you can see on the picture? Children are enjoying in a Tonga cart. Children, have you ever sat in a Tonga? When? Yes, I have sat on a horse carriage in my grandmother's village. My father helped me to climb on it. Children, do you know early man traveled from place to place in search of food and shelter. He traveled on foot, but later he used animals for transport and travel. Donkeys and horses were probably the first animals to be domesticated for such purpose. Other animals such as buffaloes, mules, and elephants were used by man later. Use of animals for transport. Horse is a domesticated animal kept in a stable. It is a very strong animal and can run very fast. In earlier times, horses were used by kings to pull their chariots and by soldiers for riding in the battlefield. Children, horse is also used to pull a wheeled carriage called tonga. In some countries, horses are also used to play polo. Children, look at this picture. This is tonga cart. What is tonga cart? A two-wheeled horse-drawn cart. Children, there is one activity in this chapter. Draw a tonga cart and color it nicely. Next, let us discuss about oxen. An ox or a bullock is known for its physical power. People use them for plowing their fields, extracting oil in oil press, and drawing water from wells. Children, look at this picture. Ox used for plowing their fields, extracting oil in an oil press, and drawing water from wells. They are also used to carry loads and people to short distances. Next, let us discuss about elephants. Elephants are very strong animals. They are the largest land animal on the earth. In earlier times, they were used by the kings to travel and sometimes in the battlefield too. Elephants are the main source of transport in jungles where trucks, trains cannot reach easily. Elephants are also used to carry heavy loads and logs in thick forests. Next, let us discuss about donkeys and mules. Donkeys and mules are sturdy animals. They move slowly and are used in mountains to carry heavy loads such as stones, soil, bricks, etc. Mules are the offspring of a male donkey and a mare. Next, let us discuss about camels. Camels are used to pull carts for the transport of people and goods in desert. Camels are used to pull carts for the transport of people and goods in deserts. A camel can travel and survive without food and water for many days in a hot desert. Merchants use camels to transport goods in caravans. Camel is also known as the ship of the desert. Children, do you know why they are called the ship of the desert? Because camel can travel without food and water many days in the desert. Now let us discuss some new words from this chapter. Sturdy, physically strong or healthy. Next word is offspring, an animal's young one. Next word is caravan, a group of people, especially traders and pilgrims, traveling together across a desert. Next, let us discuss about sensitivity towards animals. Children, we must be kind towards animals and treat them well. We should not force them to carry very heavy loads. We should not beat them to get more work done. We should provide proper food to them according to their physical work and need. We should provide them clean and pure drinking water. We should keep their shelter clean and comfortable. We should take them to veterinary hospital whenever they get sick. We should help and take stray animals to a nearby animal shelter. Children, look at this picture. These are disowned animals. Children, have you ever seen veterinary hospital? Veterinary hospital is a hospital meant for sick animals. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned. Since early times, people have been using animals for transport and travel. Horses, oxen, camels, donkeys, elephants, and bullocks are some domesticated animals used for transport and travel. Camel, elephants, and donkey are used to carry heavy loads. We must be kind towards animals and should take care of them. Children, be kind to animals. Thank you and have a nice day.